I am local. My name Shokhkal. I want job. How much? Salary? You give. Tamil?
Stop getting the wrong advice. Want a job in the Middle East? Contact Loy Macedo.
Today. Have you ever experienced this? You're lying down on your bed, okay? And then when your eyes wake up, the first thing you want to do, you're lying down, okay? You're lying down. The first thing you do is search where is your phone, or you look where is your phone. You grab your phone and you put it like this. You're half sleepy, eyes are not awake, but you still want to look at your phone. You look at your phone, you check the time, you scroll through notifications, okay? Swipe in, put your password, whatever. Then you go to your favorite apps, whatever it can be. Maybe it'll be Facebook. You'll check Facebook, you'll open it, scroll, and then you'll see notifications in red, bright red. You'll press your finger there, and you'll see, okay, he commented. You'll check, what did he comment? Okay, like. Then you'll scroll, go back, scroll. Okay, what did he tag me? Okay. Oh, he liked this comment. Oh, 263 likes. Okay. And then after you finish that, you go back on the main feed, you scroll. You keep doing this until you're satisfied. Okay, fine, I finished scrolling. What were you searching for? You don't know. What were you looking for? You don't know. What was your aim? You don't know. You're just scrolling. And what value did you get? Zero. What benefit did he give you? Zero. Nothing. You just look just to see what did I get. Okay, fine. After that is over, you'll go to another app, Instagram. Same thing. You'll check who liked your photograph, who commented, how many new people have uploaded what kind of stuff. You like some. You'll check your messages. And then you go to your email. Okay, so like this, one by one, you check all. Finally, if that is not over, then you go to your games. Oh, what is your level? How much have you progressed? What did you have to collect? What is today's reward? Oh, you got that nice bolt of thunder. Or you got that nice amount of gold. Or you got that nice food. Or this power up has come. Or you open this box. Oh, there is this big surprise. So, overall, wow, another progress. And then you have to play so that after 30 minutes you get the chance again to play. So you do that. Okay. After all that is over, by the time you know it, 35 minutes or 45 minutes or 1 hour of your time is gone. You get up, you still hold on to the smartphone. You hold it, you go to the toilet, you sit down there. Well, sitting there doing nothing, right? You're trying to push that stuff out of your rear end. So as you're doing that, again, you scroll, message, chat, WhatsApp. Oh, WhatsApp, forgot. What are the messages in my group? What did they share that some other expert had shared? What news update or debate did this WhatsApp PhD intellectual expert certified by my WhatsApp group said? What are they fighting about? Oh, this Donald Trump, this and that. Modi, this and that. Xi Jinping, this and that. Oh, this bitch, that bitch. Okay. Here are the videos, hot videos of sexy people. Here are some naughty images. Here is the gossip. Here is the YouTube videos. Here is the share. Here is the Twitter. Here is the news link. That goes on. Okay. By the time your ass starts paining, you're like, okay. Another 1 hour is over. Then you get up, you go for your shower. Again, your smartphone is with you. So you dock it nicely. And now you'll watch some YouTube videos. After all, you have to educate your mind, right? So you educate your mind with news. Some YouTuber put some shit, or you'll watch my video. You know. See, hey, buffalo, how are you? Buffalo doesn't have smartphone. White buffalo also. And I'm being racist, right? White buffalo. Okay, so that part is done. YouTube. Finally, you get ready to go in the shower. After the shower, you finish. I'm ready to start the day. But wait, the world has to know you're alive, right? The world has to know you did something amazing. So you'll take a selfie, click, below you'll put, believe in yourself, achieve your dreams. Oh, there's that. Or you do your exercise and, oh man, I finished blood, sweat and tears. Vision 2020, the six-pack is coming. Or you'll take a photograph of your Starbucks coffee, because after all, it's Starbucks, it's not an ordinary coffee. You take a photograph and put something, yes, can't start the day without my caffeine. Or you'll put, your photograph as you're walking, determined to achieve the world. You're going to be the next Elon Musk. Okay? And then when you go to the office, as you're driving, some more scrolling in the traffic jam. Finally you reach the office, and there you have to start, you have to be productive. So just put one update, one forward, and that's it. Finally you're starting your day. Now throughout the day you repeat the same process. Goes on and on until the time you're lying down to sleep, and there also you're doing it. When you're eating food, you have to listen to some podcast, something while eating food, and you're watching that YouTube video. Oh, it's interesting, it's fun, and you're eating more, and you're watching more, and you're eating more. And then you have this, what do you call that? While sleeping, because you can't sleep, right? Again, you'll take the phone up like this. Scroll, chat, I love you. Oh, you're my everything. Check some dating site, some porno. Oh yeah, self-pleasuration. You'll watch some porno, Pornhub. I watch that sometimes. After some nice massage, finally feel sleepy. Phone it up, put your phone aside, no energy. And that's it, we call it a day. Now, what I've shared is more or less what most adults go through, even youngsters. We use our phone for game, we use our phone for email, we use our phone for apps, we use our phone for Facebook, social media. It's like where once upon a time socializing was during specific hours during the day in a pub. Today it's 24/7 in an online world. 24/7. You just log in to see who's there. Now, I'm not going to start lecturing you about productivity, time management, all that. I'm just going to tell you a very simple thing. It's A, F and T. Okay? A is for attention. These apps are designed to get your attention. Okay? That's why the big red notification, like, that's why the phone shows the notification right in the front. Very easy to read. A, it gets your attention. Why do you think Facebook, the number of notifications, 12, 14, 18, email, it is big, or it's blue, or it's white, or whatever? Because it has to get your attention. A. Next one is what? After A comes F, your focus. They want you to focus on them. So how can you make them focus on you? It's very simple. You give them content, you give them something that will surprise them. Like for example, you open this magic box, you get gold. Wow, oh, see your focus, your attention, everything is there. And then you get this, complete this task. Oh, once again, you've got it. You've given them your attention. They have managed to get your attention. So in every small step of the way, they're trying to get your attention. Hey, look more. So now, from getting your attention, they first got that. Then comes the focus. Oh, look more, look more. Okay, so the focus part is there. And last, if not the least, after they got your focus for an extended period of time, the final one comes T, your time. They want your time. So how do they get your time? Well, they give you something easy to do. Well, the rewards are just there. They don't tell you what is the index. Like for example, when you check Facebook, there's no index that, okay, this is the important news. This is the curated stuff. No, you just go, oh, this is useless. This is stupid. This is funny. This makes me angry. So that's how it goes, So the first part was, hey, attention, yay, they shout at you, hey, look at me. Okay, so you looked. Then they need you to focus. So when they focus, they give you, look, do this, do that, you'll get the reward. Yay. So you're, more focused. Last, they keep you there. Give me your time. So that's how it works. Attention, focus, time. All successful companies, all successful apps, all successful people do that. Whether it's your resume, whether it's my videos, whether it's your personality. First is, hey, look at me. So you try to look attractive. In my case, I put tattoos. In your case, maybe you'll dress up nice, six-pack abs, big muscles, makeup, that Instagram photograph or that Facebook filtered Photoshop photograph. Attention. Okay? Or it'll be that amazing comment that you put. Next one, focus. How do you keep them focused on you? Oh, you put something interesting. Okay, you put a video, so you get them focused on you. In a CV, you put the attention, the header. Okay. But last comes the most important bit, time. How do you make them focus on you for long? So this is where the challenge comes, and this is where it separates winners from losers. Facebook, YouTube, all of them, what they do is they give you content that is quality, that you enjoy. So if you're watching porn, more enjoyable porn. You watch funny videos, more videos. Go to Amazon, you buy this. People who have bought this also. On a resume, you give them amazing content for them to want to read, and oh, let's call him, let's speak to him. So this is how it works, man. So now, what's the message to all this? What's the value that I can offer you? You and I, we are creatures of habit. Our self-control is not consistent every day. Not everyone has amazing self-control in everything. You might have it in your diet, food, but then you'll not have it while smoking or drinking or sex. You might have it in working hard, but then you'll not have it in saving money. So there are weak areas of our life. So the only solution is eliminate. That's why many people, they just delete Facebook from the apps. They don't have. Some other people, they just don't keep these apps with them. Some other people, they don't look at their phone at all. Out of sight is out of mind. In my case, I have to plan out my day. So I have to check. I have to know the ideas. I have to know the topics. So I have to check the emails, appointments. So what do? I check, and after that, I leave it where it's supposed to be. That's why this GoPro now, I don't get any notifications, nothing. Even when I was to do the recording on my iPhone that time, the airline mode would be on, so nobody can call me, no notification, no disturbance. When I do my work, when I upload my videos, there's nothing on. I might do it for a photograph to show you, oh, I have my iPad. That is during my relaxed time. But when it's deep work, where you have to focus with 100%, when I'm talking to my clients, there's no iPad, there's no iPhone, there's no app, there's no notification, there's no browser. Just that one thing. Even my baby is quiet, and my wife ensures this total focus, because others you cannot succeed. And you know, if you check my previous videos, what do I tell you? Before I start my work, I clean my room entirely, remove everything from the table, everything, clean, keep only what is required, rest everything, whether it's a chocolate bar, whether it is a towel, whether it's a tissue, whether it is a pair of tweezers, whether it is cables, everything is kept aside, and I keep it in their respective place. I clean properly the least amount of things, minimalistic. I keep it there and only related to what is related to the work that I'm going to do. Rest everything, remove, and then focus. Drink your coffee, focus. Nothing else. That's the only way. Others you cannot succeed, man. You cannot succeed in today's world, because everyone is after your attention, your focus, and your time. And they have the best behavioral scientists, the best app developers, the best, you know, the best in the industry who know human behavior, and they design these apps in such a way it's guaranteed to make you addictive. So they give you content, you're just yearning for that like, you're yearning for that approval, you're yearning for that attention. It's human nature. Attention, look at me, focus on me, time, give me your time. That's how we feel special, right? So that's the story of life, guys. Anyway, I hope you got something of value. Let me know your thoughts. This is me signing off for now. Take care.
I am local. My name Shokhkal. I want job. How much? Salary? You give. Tamo?
Stop getting the wrong advice. Want a job in the Middle East? Contact Loy Macedo.